Hello, friends. There's a heat wave in Croatia. I'm dying. This is a horror. I have no air conditioning. I only have a fan. But I decide there is no more delay. I'm drawing in impossible conditions, and that is it. It's 37 degrees Celsius right now. Wish me luck. Maybe I will adapt. For today, I decide on a portrait. I found the photo on Pinterest and I've been very inspired. It's hard to see the name of the artist, but uh, as always on the Pinterest, I made the sketch to shorten the process because uh, when I make sketch I'm very slow and there is a lot of erasing involved. So I always start with the face. First I use a lighter color for the skin and then I paint the shadows with the darker one. Now I'm going to go over all that with a stamp. If you don't have one, you can make it from the paper or you can use your finger, but the finger is always have a little bit of grease. I don't know. It's better with a stamp or with this white color. To push the color into the paper we use stamp because pencil have a hard time reaching these small spots in the paper. And of course here is darker pencil again, which we use to add depth to the drawing and emphasize the shadows. On the original picture photo, this is a photo. I make this, and of course we go again with a stamp to put everything together. On the original photo is this crown is a little bit crooked on her face, and I was thinking maybe to straighten up. But then I was thinking she's not perfect. She's a warrior. She needs to be messy. Now I move to the details, such as eyes, lips, and nose. And again, everything with a stamp. I don't know, I think this calls a stamp, isn't it? Paper stamp. And here we go on the lips. I didn't want my queen to look like she's wearing makeup, because she's a warrior after all. Just a little detail on the lips will do. Now let's move on to the hair. And the best way to do it is to color everything evenly, and later you add the details with a slightly darker pencil or even an eraser to emphasize the details and lighter areas. This is the ugly phase, so beware. She will look much better later. The eyes are very important. Let's pay attention to the light and add details with the dark and the white pencil to emphasize the humidity of the eye. We need to add the shadows from the crown here. And again we go over everything with a stamp so that drawing is united and looks like one whole. Little bit of shadows. Now we will work on the crown. It is silver and I use a pencil like that, darker for the shadows and lighter silver for the highlights. Then when I realized that I didn't have micron and I was looking for something to replace it with. So I took the break, I hit the pause, and I found the black ball pen, but I only realized later that I didn't restart the recording. And now you can see, a little bit later, you will see that one part of my recording is missing. So, what should I do? I wanted to add details on the crown. Uh, you will see with this ball pen. What should I do? It's hot, I don't have everything I need, and the consequences are visible, so sorry. This is this lighter silver. I have I have silver, but I didn't take my micron. Again with the stamp. So you see, I didn't record everything. But what can you do? We added the details on the crown with the black ball pen, and now we're coloring the clothes. It also has some seams and it is not straight, so I will highlight that. It has some stitches. This is like I see stitches on this shirt or dress. I don't know what she's wearing. I can see. We unite everything again with this stamp and the final details, and that is it. So this is not too difficult, isn't it? Here am I adding a little details on her hair, and thank you very much for watching. Every like and comment is super important to me. I hope I'll see you again soon.